everyone. Welcome to the online mathematics class. And today's class we shall start the new chapter, that is the second chapter, it is the polynomials. That is the polynomials. And first we shall discuss about the what is mean by the term. What is mean by the term? What is mean by term? Before we move into the polynomials, we shall learn about the what is mean by the term. Term is a expression. Term is an expression or combination of the constant and the variable. What do you mean by the term? Term is an expression. Term is an expression or combination of constant and the variable. What is mean by term? It is an expression. It is an expression or combination of combination of constant and variable. Constant and variable. What do you mean by the term? It is an expression or combination of constant and variable. It is called as the term. Take one example. 4x square plus 2. 4x square plus 2. Or take one example. It is the 4x square plus 2. It is an expression. 4x square plus 2 is an expression. Here 4x and 2 are the terms. 4x square and 2 are the terms. 4x square and 2 are the terms. 4x square and the 2 are the terms. Take another example. Take 4. Number 4. It is also called as the term. It is also called as the term. What is mean by the term? It is an expression or combination of the constant and the variable. It is called as the term. Already to the example regarding the term 4x square plus 2. Here 4x square and 2 are the terms, and here 4x, it is the constant. It never changes. X is the variable. X is the variable. 4x. Already you are in the lower section. But in the given term, 4 is the constant, x is the variable. 4 is the constant and x is the variable. Now moving to the what do you mean by the polynomials? What do you mean by the polynomials? Polynomials. Polynomials. What do you mean by the polynomials? It is the chain of the terms. It is the chain of the terms and which contains the more than 3 terms. Which contains the more than the 3 terms. It is the chain of the terms and expression contains the more than the 3 terms. It is called as the polynomials. What is the definition of the polynomials? It is the chain of terms. It is the chain of the terms and expression contains more than 3 terms. More than 3 terms. What do you mean by the polynomials? It is the chain of the terms. It is the chain of the terms and expression contains the more than 3 terms. Expression contains the more than 3 terms. Look at the example. 4x square plus 2x plus 5. 4x square plus 2x plus 5. It is the polynomial. It is the polynomial. Here it contains the chain of the terms. It contains the chain of the terms. It is one term. It is the second term. 5 also one term. It contains the chain of the terms. Chain of the terms to form a polynomial. Chain of the terms to form a polynomial. And expression contains the more than 3 terms. More than 3 terms are 3 terms. And coming to the already in the lower section, already you learned that what do you mean by the monomial, and as here what do you mean by the binomial, as same what do you mean by the trinomial. What do you mean by the monomial? Monomial. which contains the only single term. The expression only which contains the single term. The expression only contains the expression which contains only one term. An expression which contains the only one term. Example: 4x. 4x. It contains the 4 is the constant, x is the variable. Only contains the term. The expression only which contains the one term is called as the monomial. As said that you are speaking to the binomial. Binomial. What do you mean by the binomial? An expression contains two terms. An expression contains two terms. By seeing at the title, you can understand that bi means two, mono means single, or one term. Mono means single, bi means two. As in trinomial. Tri means you can call three. What do you mean by the tri? Tri means three. What do you mean by trinomial? An expression which contains the three terms. Example for the binomial is 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2 is example for the binomial. It contains the two terms. 2x is the one term and the 2 is the another term. The expression only which contains the two terms is called as the binomial. Example for the trinomial. The expression which contains the three terms. An expression which contains the three terms. Then it is said to be a trinomial. Example for the trinomial is Example for the trinomial is 4x squared plus 2x plus 5. Example for the trinomial is 4x squared plus 2x plus 5. It contains the three terms. 4x is the one term, 2x is the another term, and 5 also one term. The expression which contains the three terms is said to be trinomial. An expression which contains three terms is said to be trinomial. After that, it is the polynomials. What do you mean the polynomials? The expression which contains the more than the three terms. Then expression contains the more than the three terms. In this sense, then it is said to be a polynomial. Now coming to the now we shall move to the degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. What do you mean by the degree of the polynomial? The expression. What do you mean by the degree of the polynomial? The expression which has the more highest power. What do you mean by the degree of the polynomial? An expression which contains the more or highest power. Highest power. What do you mean by the degree of the polynomial? An expression or the polynomial which contains the highest power. Then it is said to be a degree of the polynomial. Take one example. 4x square minus 2x plus 5. 4x square minus 2x plus 5. And they ask me what is the degree of the polynomial? 4x square and 2x square. In the power place you have the 1. X power 1. And assume that x square x power 1 here 5 into x power 0. 5 into x power 0. Anything you multiplied by 0 you get the answer 1. Anything you multiplied by the 0 you get the 1. 5 into 1 you get the answer 5. 5 into 1, you get the answer 5. 4x square minus 2x plus 5. Here which is the highest in the given expression? Which has the highest power? Which has the highest power? 4x power 2. 4x power 2 has the more highest power compared to these two terms. And what is the degree of the polynomial? What do you mean by the degree of the polynomial? Degree of polynomial is 2. Degree of the polynomial is 2. Take another example. 5x power cube plus 2x power 2 plus 2x power 2 minus 4x minus 4x plus 1 plus 1. What is the degree of the polynomial? They ask the question, what is the degree of the polynomial? What is the degree of the polynomial? By looking at the power of the given terms. Here it has the x power cube, x square, x and 1. X power cube, x square, x and the 1. Then which is the highest power? 3 to 1. In the 3 is the highest. And 3 is the degree of the polynomial. 3 is the degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial arranged in the higher to lower. Higher to lower. And now we are moving to the degree of the polynomial contains linear, quadratic and cubic. Linear, quadratic and cubic. Linear, quadratic and the cubic. The degree of the polynomial contains the 3 types: linear type, quadratic type and the cubic type. Here 2x. What is the power of the x? X power is 1. The term which contains the power 1 is said to be the linear. The term which has the power 1, then it is said to be linear. Another example 4x. Another example is 4x. The term which has the power 1, then it is said to be linear. Now coming to the quadratic, an expression which contains the power 2, the expression which contains the highest power is 2, then it is said to be a quadratic. Example 4x square plus 2x minus 1. 4x square plus 2x minus 1. Here, which is the highest power? The given expression, which is the highest power? 2 is the highest power. Then it is said to be quadratic polynomial. Now coming to the cubic. By seeing that title, we can understand cube is 3. The expression which contains the highest power is 3. Highest power is 3. Then it is said to be a cubic. Look at an example. 5x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 5. 5x cube minus 2x power 2 plus 4x plus 5. Here which is the highest power? Which has the highest power? And here 5x cube is the highest power. And then it is said to be cubic. The expression which contains the highest power and the highest power is cube, then it is said to be cubic. And today I completed the introduction part in the polynomials. In the tomorrow class, let us begin with the exercise.